Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make money on TikTok. So first things first, you must have to create your own TikTok account. And then basically here, there are ways on how to make money on your TikTok. First things first, you have to make sure that you have meet eligibility requirements if you want TikTok pays for your video performance. You must have 10,000 followers, 100,000 plus views in the last 30 days. Original content must be 18 plus. So how are you going to earn? If you meet these requirements, then with the views plus engagement on high quality videos, you will get or you will make money. Now, number two, you can earn money via TikTok Creator Rewards program. So TikTok pays more for long form videos like 1 minute plus with strong watch time. This one is best for tutorials, storytelling, educational content, entertainment with strong hooks. You can use Canva for editing and CapCut. Now, for TikTok live gifts, you can also earn. You just have to go to live and viewers can send you virtual gifts. You can convert them to money. So you can go live consistently. You can host Q&A, challenges, talk about a topic you know well, use a clean background and good lighting. Third is through affiliate. So basically, you can earn via links like affiliate links and earn commission, TikTok Shop, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, Digistore, and so on. So you talk about or show a product, people click your link and you earn. And lastly, sell your own products. So you can turn your audience into customers, like you can sell physical products, digital courses or tutorials, and services. So these are the ways on how to make money on TikTok. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.